Next thing, I saw myself all over the internet. How did I see myself? Through my lawyer's phone. How did my lawyer bring his phone in? At a point when I was writing my statement and everything, they needed Instagram. I said, make they bring Instagram and they check. They say, make they use the police phone, no network. They can't say, okay, me, my lawyer, go bring the phone. Can you use different networks so that I go to check? That was how I brought his phone in. I was writing statement. Then they call my lawyer, different people. Say, they don't post your face online, no. These people, they caricature you. They don't post you on Verydarkman online. Say, they don't arrest you now. This one, now. My lawyer said, that happen only for us to open Instagram. We did Tonto Dikeh page. We did gistlover. We did everywhere. Tonto Dikeh published me. She stepped on my fundamental human rights. You published me. You paraded me like say I be thief. Like say they arrest me. You understand? Are you bigger than the law? And I will tell you people that I was there as a witness when the police told her not to use her phone. She went against the police because they didn't want her. They didn't want to do what she wanted. Do you understand? So she did it. Now, I'm not going to say anything. If the police like, they should act on it. You understand? If they like, they should not act on it. Then they say, Verydarkman, sue Tonto Dikeh. I will not sue Tonto Dikeh. Why will I do that? If I sue Tonto Dikeh, I will not be able to talk about Tonto Dikeh again. Do you understand? And I don't want that. Do you understand? Somebody like Tonto Dikeh now go open her mouth, say she won't get public office in Nigeria. Person where we say, obviously, she want to use the power to the oppress people. She stands at that figure like that now, oppression. She wants to be using power to be oppressing people. What is my offense? Because they say na Naira Marley, na ain't buy the boy. I say no be Naira Marley. Make una ask some questions. I never even, from the starting, I even follow everybody saying na Naira Marley. Later, I say, wait, who deal with this boy that time? Okay, ask this one, ask this one. Next thing, these people go release my video. Do you understand? Because Tonto Dikeh is just lovers. Yes, because immediately as they released the video, gistlover done my picture from station. Gistlover and I first post her. So when she go outside, she send her go her second account, go schedule her. Tonto Dikeh is gistlovers. And I can prove more go court anywhere, anytime. Tonto Dikeh is gistlover. She has been the one posting different celebrities, news, and everything. With my full chest, I'm saying it today. So this is the person that wants to hold political office. So that, okay, when they don't do anything where she like, person like that, fit buy person. You now see the way she wants that to threaten me online. Say we go see for outside. You, I don't talk unless by appointment for Nigeria with you hold office. If it are by vote, I go barb my hair, I go remove my nose ring, everything. I go contest against you. And of course, I go stand. With these streets, now we know what our people want. Now we know what in Nigeria they go through. What are you all about? Posting bleaching cream without NAFDAC. That is what you stand for. Making money off the people without giving back. Later you go carry like foundation, they post up and down. You are an oppressor. You are not different from the politicians that you criticize. Same one now, they criticize APC since. They shout, them so low more do this. But you now, the first opportunity you get, you don't go wrong, go join the APC. You can never hold a political office in this country because I, Otse Martins Vincent, aka Verydarkman, know what you stand for. I know you won't oppress people. They talk against bullying. See what you do, Bogiri. See what you do, Genmena. Up to today, you never released that thing where you say Genmena and Bogiri they do. We no see them. You defend their character and same you again, go station, say Verydarkman, defend your name. Churchill, see what you talk about Churchill. Nobody talk say you go buy Churchill, say you go pour on this, you go do this. Have you forgotten? And you want hold political office for Nigeria? How? What do you represent? You represent bad news. What did I say? You represent bad news. You say you be King Tonto. I am the ratte. You be lion, I be ratte. Go ask lion if you see what's in the happen to any badger. The lion, the base. With your connection, everything, you go learn. And you go learn what? The hard way. Una pain and say Naira Marley, they no clamp on for this matter. I don't know Naira Marley before. You understand? All of us define justice. I say ask question. That was your problem. You go release my noodles. On top the matter, you go to threaten Tunde. You go to off life for Tunde. They tell because Tunde post me. Now you get Tunde head notes. So because me and you get beef, make Tunde no post what he like. No, because you get beef now, me Tunde no say okay, one or two and one people they get, you know they post here only.
You know the post kata ife. Me and Tunde no be party. Will I go and tell him to stop? You won't carry another person come join your fight. As the guy no gree you the verse. Same you again go later go post their Davido and Choma for your page as gistlover where you be. Same you they post everybody news as gistlover where you be. I said it with my full chest. Now you post me for gistlover. You are tonto dikeh. You are gistlover. You cannot be a politician in this country. Say the bana nang a Nigeria. Wallahi talai na giamiki bazaki call me a one country wa. Okay? You are, it is not possible. Bazamu ye daba. Kole sheshe. Kole sheshe. Giwa. Obro. Public political office. Ime. Country mu Nigeria. Giwa. On a learn the hard way. Zamusaki agaba. Connection dinki sasui gudu. Bobo enkoton she. You will learn. Don't play.